Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing the Nike SB Tight Booth Dunk Low Pro. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. So we can see that the box that this arrived in was rather small. It was actually just perfectly fit to house the shoebox. We can see that this is an SB model, so you see that right on the Nike box, as well as in the item name. Something I thought was really interesting was this disclaimer that the Nike symbol and the swoosh are both trademarks. We are obviously all aware of that, but if you have dabbled at all in business law, you can definitely see the extra mile they're going here to make sure that there's no questions. Okay, so very cool. We can see we do have a sticker. I love it when brands like this include extras, as well as awesome Easter egg details like this tissue paper. Okay, getting a first look at our sneaker, our instant impression and what drew us to these sneakers in general was the combination of different textures and fabrics. Now there is actually a story behind these textures, which, as Nike explains, is that the textural overlays emulate the metal grates encountered and employed during after dark sessions. Now these after dark sessions are referring to skateboarding sessions, because Tightrope is actually a skateboard production company led by Shinpei Ueno in Osaka, Japan. Tightrope is known for next level artistry and production, and you can see a lot of those details in this sneaker. Nike also shares that this model was born out of necessity and draws from the freedom of nighttime in the streets. They feature a reflective swoosh panel, as well as accents of vibrant safety orange, which is an iconic color for the Tight Booth brand. You can see hidden away in the inside of one of these sneakers are two additional lace colors. So it does come with an orange and a black, which give you a little bit more flexibility on how you want to wear these sneakers. You can also see that the insole of the two shoes hold different inscriptions. So the left side reads Tight Booth, where the right side reads the iconic Nike SB. Giving you a closer look to take a look at that hidden asymmetry. I think it's a really fabulous touch. All right, now taking a look at the facade and the inside. You can see that the only difference in this model is actually the orange, safety orange Tight Booth flag that's on the outside of the shoe. We don't see that on the inside, which is a stylistic choice that sometimes Nike does to, have a different outside and an inside. But on this one, they just kept it clean, classic, and symmetrical with, again, that little hidden asymmetry inside. Okay, let's go ahead and try these on so you can get the full impact of how these style out. I will admit it was pretty hard to film this without getting any shadows, but I think you can start to see the overall essence of how these would play if you did wear them in the streets. It is really cool that you do see a little bit of the orange from the underside of the tongue, and again, that additional pop of color on the sole. Now on the right side, you'll see I did tie the lace on the outside of the tongue, whereas on the left, I did tuck the lace in just for a stylistic choice. You can choose what is your preference. And of course, these shoes are inspired by action, so let's try them out. Okay, a few final touches I do want to note is that the anglets actually have Tight Booth written on the end, which is an awesome addition. And let's go ahead and hold the other color laces over the shoe just so you can get the general vibe. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more.